Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. You are your own universe. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. November 22, 2021. Now is the timeline that you recognize you are your own universe. Realization of this truth will fully prepare you to a high vibration that we all aspire for. That is the reason why multifarious light beings from multiverse and galaxies are here observing us, watching us step and shift to a higher frequency. Should you desire light to flow to earth in you as a rider of her, then ask and invoke the light beings you are familiar to call upon every moment that you need help at the free will planetary physical world, very unique in our universe. You have your own kingdom of almost 3 to 3.5 trillion cells, all with heart like you are, that connects through a collective consciousness we call a sacred heart in earth and shell to all your cells, a magnificent kingdom of love, unconditional love, the only truth in the universe where your soul dwells. In science, it is an organ, a conglomeration of several billion cells that pumps and circulates blood to the whole body, supplying nutrients to make the whole being function to perfection, a basic part of the circulatory system, which is really short of the spiritual function she performs that is the host of our inner sun, the soul. Learn to function, think, plan with your heart, being heart-centered, and the world will be on track to peace and harmony. I reiterate, physicality is only an illusion of a low vibration. Third D, turn to matter, as vibration goes low, and prepares to turn to crystalline white light, as vibration goes higher, to a much higher vibrational frequency. Realization and knowing that divinity merges with your heart, mind, body, and soul, oneness within is being aware and awakened. This knowing starts your living within yourself, analyzing everything from within, and that your vibration from within creates your desires. Earth has to shed the weight on her shoulders as she has turned to higher vibration, and her universal load has to be lightened, that is, all the beings on her bosom equally lightened as she travels further to a much higher vibrational frequency of light. That is the reason why we are here, as light workers, and way showers, assist Mother Earth shift to a higher plane in her journey of light. The truth is, we are creation of vibration, and vibration is the primary tool we use to create. You are your vibration and create with your vibration. We influence other humans as our vibration goes higher, as crystalline light is emitted from our inner light, the sun of our soul overflowing, and affecting the unawakened human we encounter in our travel every breathing moment of life. Share your light as our planet has transferred to the fifth dimension, and individually we can assist the asleep majority amongst us awaken. Join us in a much higher vibration to a new timeline where we create a higher vibrational frequency, and on, infinity to our journey to oneness with the Creator. Love and light. Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness. Connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.